Hey y'all, it's Eva for Freedom here. Thought I would throw out a quick EDC, considering how much has changed in our lives since I did my last EDC. So this is pretty much my everyday carry. We are in the country now, and with the country comes new challenges, like does that run out of the woods and butt people and run away. I don't know. Miko. That's what my neighbor told me. That a doe came running out of our woods and butted him and ran away. Scares the heck out of me. But seriously, there are wild dogs. Never know when you're going to come upon one of them. So, like, my saber pepper spray isn't so much for a crazy man that may attack me. It's more now for a crazy bear that might be over yonder in the holler. I don't know. Hey, we're in the country now. Got my blade. Fire starter. Flashlight. Compass. Duct tape. Lots of goodies. I love this. My favorite color. Orange. Flashlight. I go nowhere without my flashlights because I can't see. And out in the country, we ain't got no lights. No street lights out here. So I don't go anywhere without my flashlights. Yeah, because I can't see. My M&P has not seen as much hip time as what it did in Wisconsin, because I cannot afford to take the class and everything quite yet. So M&P sits next to my bedstand every night. I have a walking stick now, and all the way down there, and I gotta work on this because I want to put some things on here, a blade or some other stuff. I love my walking stick. We have snakes. Shoot, I don't know. Never know what you're gonna need to protect yourself, or you want to prod around in some tall grass. Something might jump out at you. So, okay. All kidding aside, yeah, it is very different here. And I think I'm good. I think I'm covered. And this is just for everyday life here. My days when I'm out with the chickens, or when I have to go walk to get mail, or whatever. Never know what you're going to run into. So, I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. But soon, because I really miss this on my hip. I don't feel quite as safe. So, well, thank you all for stopping by. And until my next video, peace out.